Hello YouTube and LEGO Star Wars fans, and welcome to my unboxing and build of LEGO Star Wars set 75022, the Mandalorian Speeder, ages 8 to 14. Comes with 211 pieces, and in the UK costs £24.99 from the LEGO store. So, as you can see, there's the front of the box, the Mandalorian Speeder. You can obviously see the Summer 2013 theme with Yoda on the box. The minifigures down on the front. You can see all three are new minifigures. Okay, if we have a look at the rear of the box, you can see there, you can see it shows some of the features and the actual speeder itself. Obviously some scenes with the minifigures and the speeder. So if we look at the top of the box, you can see we have there two Mandalorian Super Commando minifigures, both new, and then obviously there we have a new version of Darth Maul. Okay, sides are pretty standard, obviously information. That's it. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so what do we have in the box? Okay, there we go, let's take a look. So we have, I'll go aside for a minute. One large bag. And a smaller bag, say medium sized bag. And another medium sized bag. So we can see there, so 3 bags in total. It's a small set, so 3 bags, none of them are numbered. We have some stickers, so a sticker sheet with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers. We'll see for the speeder itself. And the instruction manual. Okay, standard rear, and the back, Lego Club, obviously got the latest wave 2013 summer sets, and we've got again some cartoon type scenes, obviously depicting there. We have the inventory of the pieces, and then finally I'm just looking at 52 pages of build by the looks of it, 52/53, that's your final page. And then obviously that's all instructions to build. So in the front obviously you've got there your minifigure assembly. That's it guys, so that's the unboxing of 75022, the Mandalorian Speeder. So now on to the build. Okay guys, there we go. Hope you enjoyed the build and the unboxing, and there will be a review to follow. So there we go, review to follow. Just show you the spare pieces quickly. There's the spare bits that came with this set. Okay, please like, comment and subscribe. I'll be most grateful if you would do all three of those, please. Thanks very much, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.